Yeah, just now I realized, I remember that the name of this place is Southwest Rocks. Yeah, I was coming from that side and it's beautiful. I just had my breakfast in that restaurant. Nice. We keep on going. I was about to stay here last night, but I've seen that there is a warning. Oh, they are scared of me. They are flying, this pelican. Sorry for disturbing you guys. Yeah, I disturbed them. I was about to stay somewhere here yesterday to build my camp. My tent. But I've seen a warning, no camping inside. And that is the thing about this place. I need to go through again in the same road where I went last night. Yeah. But it's different because last night was dark. A lot of lazy cows today. No, they're just tired. That's why some of them are laying on the ground. Oh, look at this establishment. This is a petrol station. They close because there are no so much car passing in this road. What is that? It was raining a while ago. I stopped here because I want to wear the rain jacket and rain trouser, but yeah, it suddenly stopped. Okay, we keep on going. This road is called the Macleya Highway, and from here I can already hear the sound, the noise of the vehicles passing on the freeway, on the Pacific Highway. Yeah, Pacific Highway. If I go straight to that Pacific Highway, it will go all the way through the Cops Harbor. But I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to use the Pacific Highway because it's highway. There are so many big trucks. I've been to the Pacific Highway on that side, but I don't really like. Yes, it feels dangerous. Very fast cars and trucks, big trucks. Really scary. And as I was looking on the Google map, there is a way, alternative way to get to the next town. Yeah, we are still in the Macleya Highway. If I go straight there, that will end to the Pacific Highway. But there is another lane in this way. You see that it's private property, and then there is another road, and that is heading to somewhere I don't know, but we are going to explore that. Oh, this is dead end. Look at this. There is actually no way. Google Maps said there is a way to go through there, but there is actually nothing. Yeah, there is just the electrical, post all the way through there, but it is impossible to go through with the bike because there's a lot of grass, high grass. Yeah, so we're going back to the Macleya Highway and then Pacific Highway. One moment, let me check. Oh no, we keep on going. We're not going to the Pacific Highway. The road here is straight. This Macleya Highway is going straight there. It is sunny, but it's raining a little bit. Again, there's no rain. Stop again. Okay, later. But you know, it is actually raining that side. Yeah, you can see that, right? Yeah, the mountain is covered with rain and it's moving towards that direction. I still end up wearing the rain jacket and rain trousers. Oh my goodness! Google Map again bring me in a dead-end road. Look at this, it's closed here, it's closed there. The only way for me to get is to go back. Not good, mate. This one is a little bit far already, but it's okay. What to do? We can't just open that. You know, coming from this double roundabout, there is a way here going to one small town. The name is Yungay, and they actually have a train station heading to, you know, the New South Wales trains. I don't want to see trains because I am sometimes tempted to take the train all the way to Cobbs Harbour and the next, you know, final destination. Yeah, but no, we're not going to take train. We're just going to explore that small town. I see houses in this Yungay rail, but I don't see people. I see dog. Look at this railway crossing. There's not even a barrier. Yeah. The train station is on that side. But because this is a regional station, maybe there is just one time or two time the train pass by and here.
For it?
Yes.
Which way are you going, north or south?
Brisbane.
Brisbane?
Yeah.
Not tonight, you're not?
Not tonight yet.
No. So where you stay tonight, where you hope?
I don't know. If I will stop in the town,
Maxfield?
maybe.
Maxfield? Yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
Maxfield and then maybe Nambucca, next one from there. Nambucca
Or maybe
heads.
Nambucca.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I think that's probably 20 something k's or something, I think.
I can.
Yeah, Maxwell, I
But
think it's
there
probably
is-
14.
There's a lot of uphill on that side, or
Oh, couple.
a couple.
You got a good bike, you'll be right.
Yeah, I have electric, so
Yeah.
I can manage
No,
that.
you should be right.
Yeah.
Yeah, have fun, man.
Yeah, thank you. That guy English is clear, easy to understand. I think this is the only store in this area. Also, this is the only petrol station they have here. Yeah, small town. Yeah, we really need to go to the Pacific Highway this way, and it is actually raining at the moment. Okay, we stop in this rest area here in the Pacific Highway. I am heading to Nambucca. There is a place like this here. There is a children's playground in there, and it's written there, no camping, penalties apply. At the moment there are two cars. Oh wait, look at this. Yeah, so basically I am here in Maxvale, Southwest Rock. I came from Southwest Rock. That is where I sleep last night. Yeah. Okay, we just stay here for a little bit for safety also, because you know the road is slippery. Yeah, look at that. There is a rainbow. And at the moment we are still here in the Pacific Highway. And as you notice, there is always a bike lane in the Pacific Highway. Yeah. Another sign. Hey, I stopped here because maybe my way is the one in the middle and not this one. I don't know. This is exit. Exit. Let's check the Google map. We are now out of the expressway, freeway, Pacific Highway. This is a woodworking facility. Yeah, we reached this place. The name of this place is Maxville. As you can see, it's written in there. And I think this is already the city center because they have that grocery Walmart. And there's hotel here. I think this is a golf course. Yeah. But no, we are going straight to Nambucca. I think Nambucca is like the tourist attraction in this area. Yeah, they have this. So basically, this is like the end of the town from this side, or the beginning of the town from this side. There is the Australia Post Office, and this is the Nambucca River. Yeah, this is beautiful. Oh, there is like a warp on that side. I checked the booking site, and most of the hotel in this area are expensive, ranging from 300 and up. Yeah. Nambucca heads, beaches, river, shops. Turn right 3 kilometers. I don't know what time is it, maybe 4 o'clock. It is dark here because maybe there is a rain coming in. And look at the battery of my bike. There's just 2 bar. It says I can run 12 kilometer more. Yeah, you know, I can see houses, I can see cars, I can see moving cars, but I don't see people. Where are they? They are maybe inside the room, inside the house, watching movie, playing games. Yeah. Wow, beautifully organized. I have been biking since 10 o'clock. When I check out from the hotel, already biking. I stop a little bit, just a little bit, and then I am now here. That I don't know what time, maybe 4, 5 o'clock. Oh, there is a shopping mall here, Nambucca Plaza. There is the IGA, Sport Purse. There's Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut. Wow. Pizza Hut. There's Pizza Hut. Okay, we keep on going. We're not going to stay here. The afternoon. Yeah, good. Look at this. They have this walkway by the river. It's a wooden walkway. Really nice looking. Yo, I met a Filipino here. You know, when you are walking around, you feel something when there is some Asian looking. You feel that they are Filipino.
Yeah,
And I asked them, and they are.
Hello.
Nice. It's good to see Filipino.
Followers. We're here in Nambucca Heads. Nambucca Heads, New South Wales.
Yeah, Nambucca Hills. Nambucca?
Nambucca.
Nambucca Hills is very nice looking place. Yeah.
Punta po kayo doon, banda doon sa baba.
Pinaka beach?
Opo.
Yeah. I reached this place. I am very tired now because I get uphill with just this much of battery. Not enough. There is another uphill there. For sure I will not be able to make it. And still I didn't find any hotel or place to stay.